Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. This washing machine customer has called me. They said cannot wash and cannot spin. So drum is not moving. So let's see what is the problem. Let me turn it on. Then set to the spin mode. Then press start button. So after that we have to wait for a few seconds. You see, I can feel the noisy motor is spinning. Yeah, motor is spinning, but drum is not spinning. It's like no power. So I lay down, then let me see what is the problem actually. So dear viewers, after lay down, then I have seen, see its belt. This belt has broken. This belt has broken. So that is the reason. This for this reason, drum cannot spin. See, motor only spinning, but drum is not spinning because this belt has broken. This is the reason. So this belt number is 19, M19. So I have new. This is the new belt, M19. Okay, so I'll fix it and see how to fix it, and it's very easy. Just put it inside. You have to do it very slowly. Yeah, so this is the method to change it. So let me test how is it. So dear viewers, I have put the spin mode. So let's see how is it now. Hopefully, inshallah, okay. It was problem only this belt. Okay, dear viewers, Alhamdulillah, now it's spinning. See, it's spinning. So really, it was very easy job. Let me stop it. Okay, dear viewers, thank you so much. Thank you for watching my video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.